You have Mr. Dulat out there, and then you had Mr. Kulkarni. Now, these are the two people who advocate about how Mr. Modi is extremely wrong in this hawkish policy towards Pakistan, and that not having talks is not the right thing to do.
See, you go and say, I want to talk to you. The guy said, I don't even want to talk to you. Ab kya kahoge? You look like a fool. Today, both Imran Khan and Bilawal Bhutto have clearly drawn the line. They have said, unless you walk back on the 5th August 2019 changes, there will be no talks, no dialogue. Now what Bilawal said, that India has changed the dynamics because of these changes in 5th August, and therefore it is up to India to create the atmosphere for talks.
We don't want to talk. At one point of time, you said they don't want to talk also.
No, they don't want to talk because of this. To us, it makes no difference because we are not going to change 5th August 2019.
Sure. Right.
And if they don't want to talk with us, we are very happy not talking to them.
सानू की
You look at Pakistan. जो अमीर लोग हैं उन्होंने सबने अपने बच्चे भेज दिए बाहर.
एक पैर बाहर है.
Dual nationalities. They're all going. They're sitting abroad and they're commenting about the situation in Pakistan. But there is a change, if you've noticed, in some of the tonality that, you know, India के साथ हमारे रिश्ते अच्छे होने चाहिए, बेहतर होने चाहिए.
Yes, you see, there are diplomats, there are army officers retired, there are these vloggers who are saying, despite his faults, you know, Mr. Modi has done wonders for India and we should trade. After all, we are the same. Conversely, there are people in India, they are saying Pakistan today is very weak. We should follow a much more aggressive policy towards Pakistan.
When you have the enemy on the mat, slay him. Okay? I'm very, very clear. Look, I was not born thinking like this. For me, I think in many ways, the cutoff point was 2008, 26/11. That's when I said, and not just the attack, the attitude of the Pakistanis, when they tried to cover it all up, you know, not contrite, nothing. And even when people said, you know, this is very bad, they were being utterly insincere and dishonest when they were saying it. They didn't give a shit. They were all bloody celebrating. I know it.
हम attitudes की बात करते हैं. There are so many diplomats who, when they are in service and when they do Pakistan desk and all that, वो हमारे पीछे पड़ जाते हैं. When we are journalists, you know, they get after us. Those very diplomats, once they retire, they become like from hawks, they become doves.
So their attitude is, you must accept a contrary point of view. That if India is to grow, if India is to become a regional power, you need to take your neighborhood along with you. So they justify their position or their change in their position on this basis that we're talking what is good for India in the long term, that if you want to become a regional power, that this is what you must do.
We have fought 3.5 wars, 4 conflict. All the time we have had Pakistan as our adversary. So obviously everything about Pakistan is important, right?
Yeah, but how many people actually understand that damn place? What is people's interaction? मैं अनारकली गया, मुझसे पैसे नहीं लिए. यार तो बहुत बड़ा घटिया आदमी है, पैसे दे देता वहाँ पर. पैसे नहीं लिए. मतलब 10 रुपए तेरे से नहीं लिए, and you are willing to sell off your country because he didn't charge 10 rupees from you. And people out here make the mistake of confusing personal relationships with a national level relationship, ignoring all the muck which is there.
And there are many who say
But
in Pakistan कि अगर पंजाबियों को हटा दो from an equation, India Pakistan can actually resolve their issues.
बचेगा क्या फिर? In some ways, India Pakistan is a Punjabi civil war.
Click here to watch the full episode.